Unlock the secrets. How to make money online in 2023. Attention digital pioneers, strap in because we're about to embark on a thrilling expedition into the vast landscape of making money online. Right now, as you watch this video, countless people around the globe are unlocking secret vaults of online income. And today, you're going to join their ranks. Picture this, a world where every click, every post, and every online interaction could be your key to financial freedom. Sounds too good to be true? Well, not for all the people worldwide who already live in this world. By the end of this video, you'll have the map, the tools, and the courage to venture out and claim your own piece of this vast online treasure. So, to my brave adventurers, entrepreneurs, and curious minds, are you ready to dive headfirst into the untapped potential of this modern-day gold rush? Then let's roll! The importance of keeping up to date. Let's back up for a second though, and talk about the importance of keeping on top of the latest digital trends and how they evolve over time. The reality is that the online realm waits for no one, and if you're not sprinting, you're getting left behind. Here's why you need to keep your finger on the pulse of everything new that takes off in the digital world. The online world innovates fast. Remember when MySpace was the king of social media? Or when Yahoo was the search engine of choice? The digital terrain shifts, and it shifts fast. Snapchat filters? Those were unheard of a decade ago. And now, they're almost a standard in online communication. Stay swift, stay updated, and never let a digital trend leave you in its dust. The online world evolves fast. Flash websites used to be all the rage, until they weren't. Or consider keyword stuffing. Once a staple in SEO strategies, it's now a fast track to getting penalized by search engines. Don't just evolve, make sure you're not taking steps backward. There are new emerging opportunities being created every day. Clubhouse. Ever heard of it? A few years ago, no one had. Now, it's one of the hottest platforms for networking and sharing knowledge. And what about NFTs? These digital assets have taken the art and collectibles world by storm. Dive in early, ride these waves, and see where they can take you. Your audience adapts every day. It used to be all about blogs and articles, but now, podcasts and video content are stealing the show. Platforms like TikTok have revolutionized short-form content, and the early birds on that platform, they're now enjoying the rewards with millions of followers and countless opportunities to cash in. Keep your eyes on the horizon and adapt as the tide changes. Use your knowledge to your advantage. Flaunt it. Wear it like a badge of honor. When you can talk about the latest digital marketing strategies or the newest social media algorithms, it's clear that you know your stuff. Being in the know isn't just for good business. It's a statement, a testament to your dedication and expertise. And it shows the world that you mean business. The top 5 online marketplaces. Now that we understand the importance of keeping up to date, let's now look at the top ways to make money online, starting with online marketplaces. These are the marketplaces where dreams are made, deals are done, and fortunes are found. We'll have links to in-depth guides on how to get started on each of these marketplaces in the video description. Amazon. Remember when Amazon was just about books? Today, it's the entire globe's marketplace. But here's the kicker. Beyond the straightforward selling, the real gems lie in programs like Fulfillment by Amazon, also known as FBA. Imagine this, your own brand of bespoke coffee mugs stored in Amazon's warehouse, sold on their platform, and shipped by them. Magic? No, just Amazon FBA. Etsy. The haven for crafters and artisans. If you can craft it, you can sell it. Think of an exquisite hand-knitted scarf inspired by 80s retro colors or personalized 3D printed jewelry pieces. The world craves uniqueness, and Etsy is where they come to satiate that hunger. Shopify. The gold rush of our age. But instead of pickaxes and pans, you've got digital storefronts. Here's the scene. A curated store selling sustainable bamboo products from cutlery to clothing. With Shopify, you're not just setting up a store, you're crafting a digital experience that engages and inspires your audience. Upwork and Fiverr. The freelancer's promised land. Did you know there are illustrators on Fiverr making bank by creating custom comic strips? or content writers on Upwork commanding hundreds of dollars for a single article. Skill is the currency, and these platforms are where you trade if you're not into selling physical products. Redbubble. Picture this. A customer orders a t-shirt with a unique design from your online store. You don't have a warehouse filled with that design. Instead, you have a connection with a print-on-demand platform such as Redbubble. As soon as the order is placed, your design is printed on a shirt and shipped directly to the customer. You don't manage any stock or deal with printing issues. You just provide the design and market the product. This allows creators just like you to monetize their designs without the complexities of inventory or large upfront costs. It's all about being creative, capturing the zeitgeist, and letting the platform handle the rest. Let's deep dive into affiliate marketing. If there's one online revenue stream that has proven its might time and time again, it's affiliate marketing. Often lauded as the gateway to online riches, it's not just about pasting links and waiting for the magic to happen. Let's break this down, shall we? Understanding the basics. At its core, affiliate marketing is a straightforward concept. You promote a product or a service, and for every sale made through your unique referral link, you earn a commission. But to truly excel, it's imperative to select products that align with your brand or persona. Imagine running a fitness blog and promoting, let's say, gardening tools. A mismatch to say the least, right? Choose your niche wisely. Speaking of fitness blogs, the key to striking gold in affiliate marketing is niche selection. Whether you're passionate about tech gadgets, beauty products, or yes, even gardening tools, there's a market out there. But remember, narrower niches often mean less competition and a more engaged audience. Think vegan beauty products for sensitive skin instead of just beauty products. Building trust is paramount. It's one thing to promote a product, and it's another thing entirely to have people trust your recommendations. Affiliate marketing isn't about making a quick buck. It's about building long-term relationships with your audience. Offer genuine reviews, share personal experiences, and always disclose your affiliate links. Diversify your platforms. While blogging is a tried and tested platform for affiliate marketing, don't shy away from video content, podcasts, or even infographics. Different audiences consume content differently, and diversifying ensures that you cast a wider net. Stay updated. Affiliate programs change their terms, commissions, and even products. The most successful affiliate marketers always have their ears to the ground, ensuring that they're promoting the latest and best offers. Know your tools. Use analytics to track which strategies are working and which aren't. From Google Analytics to affiliate dashboard insights, the more data you have, the better decisions you can make. And a pro tip? Don't put all of your eggs in one basket. Partner with multiple affiliate programs. This not only provides multiple revenue streams, but also safeguards against any sudden changes in a single program. If this all sounds great to you, we've got our own Amazon affiliate marketing course where you can learn all about it for free from start to finish. Check out the link in the video description. Introduction to modern-day dropshipping. If there's a business model that has redefined the e-commerce scene in the past few years, it's dropshipping. But hold on, we're not in 2018 anymore. This is 2023, and the game has changed. Let's dive into the modern age of dropshipping. Dropshipping, a quick refresher. For those new to this, dropshipping is essentially an e-commerce business model where you don't hold any inventory. Instead, when a customer places an order, you purchase the product from a third party and have it shipped directly to them. Sounds simple? Well, it's a bit more nuanced than that, especially these days. The modern landscape. With e-commerce booming globally, the dropshipping world is more competitive than ever. But with great competition comes great innovation. Suppliers are now offering faster shipping methods, integrating with eco-friendly brands, and even providing augmented reality previews for products. The future is here, and it's even filled with packages delivered by drones. Selecting the right products. Gone are the days when any trending product could become a dropshipping hit. In 2023, it's all about sustainable, unique, and high-quality products. Think sustainable fashion, innovative tech gadgets, and DIY kits for home enthusiasts. The golden rule: if it offers value and is not widely available, it's a potential winner. Building trust in the digital era. With scams and unreliable suppliers making headlines, building trust is more crucial than ever. Offering transparent shipping times, responsive customer service, and authentic product reviews can set you apart in the sea of digital stores. Utilizing tech and tools. Leveraging tools is no longer optional. From AI chatbots that answer queries 24/7 to tools that track global product trends, integrating technology is the key to scaling and adapting in 2023's dynamic market. The sustainability trend. This is massive. More and more consumers are leaning towards sustainable and eco-friendly products. Integrating these products, or even better, making your entire store centered around sustainability, can give you a competitive edge. We'll have a great course that goes deep into modern-day dropshipping linked in the video description if you want to learn more. Leveraging social media algorithms. Once you choose one of these 3 great ways to make money online, well, none of them are going to spread the word by themselves. Social media is a great way to do just that, by giving you a way to engage, delight, or even inspire your audience. You can even consider social media itself as a 4th way of making money online, by becoming a personality in your own right and using your influence to attract sponsorships, affiliate marketing deals, and in some cases, ad revenue from the platform of your choice. We'll have some links to some great courses on how to master each of these social media platforms in the video description. Now, let's navigate this dynamic world. Facebook and Instagram. Ever noticed how the posts from your favorite pages or friends always seem to appear on your feed? That's the algorithm at work. For those looking to make money online, understanding these algorithms can be a golden ticket. Engage with your audience, reply to comments, host live sessions, or even run targeted ads. The more engagement your posts get, the more they're favored by the algorithm. This can lead to increased visibility, which translates to more sales or ad revenue. Twitter, or the app formerly known as Twitter. The Bluebird app, or the app formerly known for its Bluebird, loves real-time engagement. If you're promoting a product, service, or even just building a brand, use relevant hashtags, engage in trending topics, and remember, consistency is key. The faster you jump onto a trend or the news, the better your chances of getting retweets and gaining visibility. TikTok. The new kid on the block, but oh boy has it made an entrance. TikTok's algorithm values watch time. If you can create engaging, captivating, and share-worthy content that keeps viewers hooked until the very last second, and perhaps even encourages repeat views, you'll find your videos propelled to more For You pages, granting you vast exposure. For businesses, this is a gold mine. A single viral video can lead to thousands, if not millions, of new followers and potential customers. LinkedIn. The professional's playground. Here, value-driven content is king. Share insightful articles, participate in relevant discussions, or even post job openings. The algorithm favors content that positions you as a thought leader in your industry. By establishing trust and credibility, you open doors to partnerships, collaborations, and new business ventures. YouTube. The granddaddy of content platforms. YouTube's algorithm is a complex beast, but at its core, it values watch time and engagement. Regularly posting high-quality content that keeps viewers watching until the end, coupled with a strong call to action, like asking viewers to like, share, and subscribe, can skyrocket your channel's growth. With ad revenue, affiliate links, and potential sponsorships, the monetary potential here is enormous. Real-life success stories. Now, everything that we've talked about so far sounds all well and good, but has anyone actually been successful in any of this? Well, it turns out that so many people have, and they were all once in the same situation that you might find yourself in right now. What they all share in common is genuine stories of grit, perseverance, and innovation that stand as testimony to the power of the digital age. Let's explore some of our favorites. Pat Flynn's unexpected turnaround. Meet Pat, an architect who faced a setback in 2008 when he lost his job. Instead of wallowing in despair, Pat pivoted to the digital realm. launching smart passive income. His endeavors in affiliate marketing, online courses, and beyond have not only ensured he earns a healthy income, sometimes surpassing $200,000 a month, but has also inspired a generation to believe in the dream of passive income. Michelle Schroeder Gardner's financial wisdom. Starting a blog in 2011, Michelle might have seemed like just another face in the vast crowd of bloggers. But her focus on personal finance and her knack for affiliate marketing with making sense of sense carved out a unique space just for her. Fast forward, and she's earning over $100,000 a month teaching others the magic of affiliate marketing. Sophia Amoruso's vintage vision. Sophia had an eye for fashion, but her genius lay in recognizing the untapped potential of online marketplaces. Selling vintage clothes on eBay was just the beginning. Before long, Nasty Gal, her brainchild, evolved into a multi-million-dollar fashion titan. Sophia's journey underlines the boundless opportunities in online marketplaces when blended with passion and flair. Tim Ferriss's work-life revolution. Burnout is real, and Tim Ferriss felt it deep. However, from personal strife came the 4-Hour Work Week, a book that changed many lives. Encouraging outsourcing and smart online business tactics, Tim's work illuminated the path for many seeking more from life than a 9-to-5 grind. Erwin Dominguez's dropshipping dream. Navigate to Oberlo's success stories on their website, and Erwin's name shines bright. Starting from scratch, in just 8 months, Erwin scaled to $1 million in sales. His secret? Leveraging the power of dropshipping with tools like Oberlo and Shopify. Now, while these stories are amazing sources of inspiration, remember, every journey is unique. The path to success is littered with challenges and requires long-term commitment. But armed with knowledge, passion, and perseverance, the digital realm holds promise for all. In our whirlwind exploration of the expansive world of making money online, we've unmasked the myriad of opportunities lying in wait. From the constantly evolving online marketplaces to the game-changing algorithms of social media platforms, the digital age is laden with avenues to carve out a niche and thrive in. We've learned that staying updated is not just about being in vogue. It's about adapting, innovating, and maximizing your potential in an ever-fluid landscape. Affiliate marketing, dropshipping, or leveraging the power of social media. Whatever your chosen path, remember, it's about passion, persistence, and leveraging the right strategies. And as we've seen from our real-life digital heroes, with determination and the right tools, success is not just a distant dream, but an achievable reality if you chip away at it for long enough. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey. If you found value in this deep dive, do give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe for more content just like this. As we always say, the digital realm is vast, but with the right guide, no horizon is too distant. Until next time, here's to your digital success.